This is Buckle Down page 104, Subtract Fractions. Guided practice. Jillian poured milk into a glass 9/10 full. When she finished drinking, the glass was 1/4 full. How much of the milk in the glass did she drink? Find the difference. Find the least common denominator. Multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, so on. Multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. As you can see, we have 20 in common. The least number that is common multiple of 10 and 4 is 20. Find equivalent fractions with 20 as the denominator. Alright, 9/10 is equal to 18/20 because you have to multiply 10 times 2 to get 20, so do exact same thing to its numerator. So 9 times 2 is 18. For 1/4, we are looking for denominator to be 20, so we need to multiply 4 times 5 to get 20, so do the same thing to its numerator. So 1 times 5 is 5. So 1/4 is equal to 5/20. Now we're subtracting 18/20 minus 5/20. Copy the denominator down, 20. 18 minus 5 is 13. Jillian drank 13/20 of the milk in the glass. Thanks.